I guess I'm doing a life in a day in the life today. Why? I don't know why. Because I want content, and this is content. And I live on a continent. No puns this morning. So today it's gonna be skateboarding day and a fingerboarding day, because that's what my channel is all about. And you can see my mess that I'm trying to hide on my desk. Every morning I start my day with a YouTube visit, and I see if I have new comments, and then I go on my Instagram. So yeah, today is basically gonna be Guillaume coming to get me, and then we're going to his house. You need to 3D print something, and then it's gonna be this. Yeah, no lightning at all. I'm black. That's a sick pink, but you can see my titties, like, it's see-through. This one I wear it a lot. This one too. This one too. This one too. This one is too hot. This one is pretty casual. Am I really talking about which shirt I'm gonna put in my day? That's the kind of content I'm doing right now, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Made my choice.
Je pousse un cri parmi les rires quand la foule vient l'arracher d'entre mes bras.
I'm gonna show you how to do a Benh toast. To do Benh toast, you need peanut butter. Just half of it. Single cheese slice. And it's not finished. It's not finished. It's not finished. Afterwards, you dip it in coffee. Okay, I've given up the idea of a shirt because it's really hot outside. And yeah, there's a lot of noise from this dryer. And yeah. White balance. So yeah, we just arrived to the park. As you can see, it's pretty shitty because it's just have been built, so there's no grass. You have dirty shoes all the times, and yeah, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna do you a little part of a little tour of the park. Yeah, right now. Tabarnak. Okay, that's gonna be it. Battery down and we're gone. This is what you call the Skatepark. This is what you call a Skatepark. Skatepark. Wow! So conclusion, we cannot film the tricks because we cannot skate here. Because there's too much kids. Peux-tu toucher à ton pied? Cool, je suis content, merci. Oh. So yeah, now the plan is to go to a street spot. A street spot for me to not... Oh shit, man!
Nothing happens.
Nothing happened. That would have been sick if we had it on film. We kind of had it. That's what vlog make you do. Like everything's become something vloggable. And everything becomes something that could be some content for you guys. It's really weird. So yeah, we're basically gonna hang out at my house, I think, at this point. So we came back home, and now we're gonna do the skateboard with the finger. Just ate some pizzas. Always ask for suicide sauce in your pizza. It's gonna make your mouth numb, and pizza is gonna taste like nothing. No, that's not a good thing. Just get suicide sauce, it will fuck your mouth up. For those who was wondering, this is the result of the 3D printing. This is just like a transition test, to test if it will make a good replica of the Bego. If you don't know the Bego is like a famous Montreal skate spot that I'm gonna show right there. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So yeah, that pretty much concluded the vlog, day in the life, whatever you want to call it. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments below. And that's actually gonna be my question of the day. So yeah, if you go there, you can see a video that is another video from me. There you can see another video that is another video from me. There you can subscribe. And remember, the question of the day is, do you like this kind of content? Which kind of content do you prefer? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.